All right, folks, you are now on 6.7, Part 2, Return of the Fractions. We are going to start off the lesson by reviewing finding a fraction of a whole number. So we're going to start off with 2/3 of 18. Remember, the word of can be replaced with a multiplication sign. So 2/3 times 18. So remember, we will multiply our numerator times our whole number. 2 times 18 equals 36. Put that over 3. And now you're going to remember that the fraction bar means divide, so you're going to divide 36 by 3. That's a basic fact. It equals 12. So I have 2/3 of 18 equals 12. Another way to think about it is this, 2/3 of 18. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 because my denominator is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have my 18 divided into 3 equal groups. 1, 2, 3. And I want to look at 2 out of 3 of those because I'm looking for 2/3. So 1, 2. There's 6 in each row. That's 12. So 2/3 of 18 equals 12. Okay, so here are some practice problems. So instead of doing them on a class kick, you're going to pause this video and you're going to do these problems in your math notebook. I'm going to tell you when to pause it, and you need to pause it at that time because a few seconds later, this picture will show up again with the answers. Now, it won't help you any to sit there and just look at the answers. You want to make sure you pause it, go do the work in your notebook, and then come back and check all of them. Okay? So on the count of 3, you're going to hit the pause button. 1, 2, 3. Hit the pause button. That was 3. Okay, hopefully you paused it at the right time. Here are the answers. If you have something wrong, try to figure out what you did. If you can't figure it out on your own, after a few tries, come see myself, and I will gladly help you. Okay, so now we're going to work on multiplying a fraction by a whole number. Here's the example problem. Mom baked a pumpkin pie and cut it into 6 equal slices. Dad, Mom, Jay, and Becky each ate a slice. What fraction of the pie did they eat altogether? Well, they each ate 1/6 of the pie. So 4 people each ate a slice. So if you think about it, it's 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6, which would be 4/6. Faster way of adding is multiplying. So 4, the whole number, times 1/6. So like we did earlier, you're going to multiply the whole number by the numerator. 4 times 1 is 6. The denominator stays the same. And here we have to reduce the fraction. 4/6 is not in lowest terms. You can reduce it by 2 as your greatest common factor. So they ate 2/3 of the pie. Okay, here's another example. 6 times 3/4. So if you do it visually, you can think of it 3/4 6 times. So we could add 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4. But we know that is not a very efficient way to do business. Multiplication is a faster way of adding. So 6 times 3/4. So we have our 6 times 3, which equals 18. My denominator doesn't change. Okay, that's an improper fraction, so we can turn that into a mixed number. 4 can be shared into 18 4 times, with 2 left over. But we know 2/4 is not in lowest terms, so I'm going to put another little equal sign there. 4 1/2. Okay, so now you're going to go to the class kick for lesson 6.7. And now you're going to do review questions for all of 6.7.